Megan Tupper, you're back again. What was the feeling like down there on the podium just now?
I definitely missed the fans. I really missed you guys. I really wish there were some people in the stands cheering, to make it more. But it's an Olympic bronze medal and I'm elated.
You're the first Jamaican woman to win an Olympic medal in this event. How does this make you feel exactly?
Words can't explain right now. It's still taking time to soak in. So you'll see me sitting and then I go, or sitting and then I go, oh, is this real? It's still coming in one second at a time, I guess. Yeah.
And I can presume that you are getting loads of messages and calls from back home, huh?
Yep, too much. Not too much. But I'm taking my time to go through them because I don't just want to say, oh, thank you. I want it to be from the bottom of my heart because I know most of the people that message me, they were instrumental in where I am. So, and this win is also theirs. So I want them to know that it was personal, their support was personal, and so that's why I'm taking a bit of time to go through. Big up, Nikki!
Alrighty, what did your other teammates say to you when you went back into the athletes' village?
They're all so happy for me. They're all so happy and said that I'm definitely an inspiration and they feel like anything is possible seeing me achieve what I did.
You would have spoken to your coach since the achievement. What did he say to you?
He was thoroughly happy, thoroughly excited. I'm his first Olympic medal. So, he has World Championship medals and he's grateful for those. But an Olympic medal, is a different feeling. And after 2 years of working with me, getting an Olympic medal, at the start of the season, it wasn't... Just getting here was a feat in itself. And to get a medal, icing on the cake.
How much confidence will this give you now to continue to exhibit your stuff, to strut your stuff on the big stage going forward?
I always take the stance that you are as good as the race you're in right now and how you finish in that race and how you compete in that race. Races aren't run on paper. We like to analyze and say this is going to happen or that's going to happen. But at the end of the day, the race have to run. People know who are going to win, So just taking it stride by stride, day by day, second by second, giving God all the glory in the meantime.
What's your take on the female sprint hurdling pool for Jamaica at this time?
It's fantastic. It's been fantastic. We, as hurdlers, get hurt a lot, and so you won't really see our strength come together at one full time. But for the past couple of years, you have been seeing it. 3 ladies made the finals in 2019. 2 made it in the Olympic final. Jamaica has a great crop of hurdlers now and coming up, and we should be really grateful.
Now that your event is out of the way, how much time do you find to follow the performance or performances of the other Jamaican athletes? And you would have heard about Sharika Jackson not qualifying for the 200?
Yes, I have been following. Yeah.
What's next for the remainder of the season, Megan?
Just trying to stay on form, showing up to as much races as possible, and seeing if I can get my time faster.
I know when athletes achieve stuff like this, it sets them up for the next season on the Diamond League and so on. How are you looking forward to that in terms of your stocks and the bargaining chips?
If Corona has taught me one thing, if COVID has taught me one thing, is to take everything step by step, day by day, second by second. You literally don't know what can happen tomorrow, especially with COVID. And as a result, day by day for me, I don't try to look too far ahead because that just kind of leads you up to not disappointment, but things change too quickly, and in order to stay grounded and in order to stay positive, you have to just take it day by day by day.
Megan, fantastic achievement. Congratulations once again.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Megan Tupper, the bronze medalist in the women's sprint hurdles medal ceremony just completed here inside the Olympic Stadium in Tokyo. And it's back to you in studio.